love to get niggas advances. I need more than that. 200 way more. Bad bitch beside me as I roll this blunt. Niggas ain't respect your heart cause you ain't showing up. Introverted nigga, I don't open up. Smoking with my low, just thinking what if we both was up. When it was time to double back, you wasn't showing up. Ask God for forgiveness was wild when we was growing up. You couldn't roll with us, still probably wasn't broken up. Got family in the islands just packing cocaine and coconuts. Get it through customs, right to the city shop we can open up. Shop the new is cool, niggas think we moving fruit. Might dye my head, grind my bed so they don't notice him. Nose candy, I play Miami, probably was owing them. I said, bad bitch beside me, I might kick her out. Get out. Mama found my stash, like what this shit about. Empty the clip, my nigga, pour some liquor out. I'm good with it, cause I've been without. Back and forth, spinning out. Just to see me, it's expensive now. So many hoes, they think I'm flipping now. Get away with murder, OJ Simpson stack. Bad bitch beside me as I pour a glass. Love this shit in the streets, I ain't go to class. Ready to take a nigga out, cause you know he trash. This money coming, I just hope it lasts. Yeah, he was lit until they smoked his ass. Black, 200 something, I don't know the dash. Smash, this pussy bueno, I just hope I last. Splash, paying for that body easy as a layup. Glass, bad bitch beside me, ain't no niggas with me. None. Couple trucks following, some headers with me. I can do it like him and 50 or like Big and Dick. I might have to lose it all. Who really with me? I might have to lose it all to see who really with me. Follow Saturday, who really with me? I might have to lose it all to see who really with me. My cuz, I might have to lose it all to see who really with me. I might have to lose it all to see who really with me. Album done, man. Yeah. Who really with me? I might have to lose it all. Nigga, I cover his face with the window down, you heard? Nigga, I cover his face. Yo, but listen, I got a public service announcement. You heard? The coronavirus came from them fucking Popeyes chicken sandwiches. I told niggas when them shits first came out, don't eat them shits. I don't know what the rush for these shits is, why everybody going so crazy for these fucking sandwiches. And now, look, New York City is under a fucking state of emergency. I was supposed to go to Brazil tonight. I couldn't even go to Brazil. I'm supposed to be on a flight to Rio de Janeiro. Ain't nobody's hero, but I want to be heard. On your hot 9-7 every day, that's my word. That's what we supposed to be on our way to. But nah, niggas want to drop a chicken sandwich from Popeyes. Niggas want to go crazy. And that shit's, look, that wasn't even that long ago. That shit created an epidemic. Now it's like when crack hit. Remember how when crack hit? I wasn't born yet. But for niggas that probably was around in 85, y'all probably saw the change. You feel me? Like, oh, crack hit. Like, I was born 88. So my earliest memories is like 92. Like, crack still was, you know what I'm saying? But I got to catch the after effects of what crack was doing. Like, it still was booming, but it was like, it was like the coronavirus had already came through, like, yeah, and slowed up a little bit, but it then knocked off. Wow, motherfuckers, like, that's what's going on right now, B. Word, man. And you know who I blame this nigga Donald Trump, man. I don't blame nobody else. Fuck it. They come after me, It is what it is. They gonna have to find me. Feel me? And I can shoot you in my home. Fuck that. You come in the crib, fuck that martial law shit. Drew, you said that shit earlier. You was like, it's time to dust them things off. Because it's about to be martial law. They talking about in 30 days, they gonna tell niggas they can't leave their cribs. Eat my dick.
I'm leaving the crib. Like, you got me fucked up. This shit I got to do outside. Like, the food is outside. Like, you know what I'm saying? The weed man is outside. Like, you think I'm gonna just play the crib? Never. That's never happening, bro. So they talking about this 30-day. They gonna tell niggas you can't leave. I wish a nigga would play the outside of my crib and tell me I can't leave. I'm throwing shots at this nigga. Word. Like anonymous joints. From the balcony, you heard? I'm gonna be on some real Jason Bourne other bullshit. Like, man, I'm telling niggas, man, these niggas is bugging. This is this nigga Trump fault. Cause look, when he first came into office, niggas don't know this. I got the drop. You know, I talk with niggas in the government. You feel me? I got the drop on this stupid salmon colored nigga, man. When the nigga came in office, the nigga fired the whole pandemic, whatever the fuck. The niggas that, like, the money you supposed to invest and the niggas you supposed to hold down, that's supposed to, like, in case some freak shit like this happen, they on deck. He got rid of them niggas. He packed them. Soon as he pulled up, he packed them the fuck up. Now look. Now it's some nasty shit outside, bro. Niggas gotta. Well, I'm in the club with the mask on. I don't even like even my niggas. I don't know what my niggas go throughout the day. Like, I don't even want to talk with my niggas face to face. You heard? Jules and Chet been with me all day, so we good. I don't know where these other niggas been at, man. Word, I was like, yeah, y'all niggas stayed over. Y'all ain't even come next to me in the club, you wanksters. Y'all stayed over there. Y'all supposed to come be in my breathing area.
The breathing area.
Come around where I could be with some common, you know what I'm saying? Some shit I've been around. I don't know what the fuck these niggas been doing all day. These niggas might have been in Corona. A couple of these niggas might have slid through Corona today. That shit is in Queens. Coronavirus. That shit is in Queens. Look. Oh. He hot with the Uber. You saw that?
Nigga jumped out that shit quick.
Nah, he jumped out the Uber hot. Like, yo, let me get out this shit, my nigga. Word to my mother. Dead ass, my nigga. Like, you in here coughing and shit. The Uber driver probably was coughing and sneezing and shit. Yo, word, get me out. Get me out this shit. Yo. Shit got niggas panicking right now, B.
It's quiet.
I just seen a nigga stress the fuck out. Elliot Stress. Nigga was Elliot Stress.
It's a Honda. Those are race cars. Yeah, slow your ass down.
Man.
Especially in this motherfucking rain.
These niggas got a look at the day. It's real shit. Where my mask at, B? My mask on, B. Nigga Sap said that's why I ain't pull up.
You always losing weed.
Lost the weed.
You got the weed.
We gotta shoot the fade for that. Hey, Sap, I'm still outside. I'm just precautious, you heard? Nigga said I'm staying in the crib. Huh?
I got it.
Yeah, bring y'all better get y'all mask. Chat, bring that cup right here. That's the sippery cup. That's the cup for the sippery. The mask don't do nothing? Shit. Magic Johnson had the mask on. You shitting me? And that nigga had AIDS for 30 years now. Like, that nigga had the bug all my life. He had the mask on. So it got to be doing something. You niggas is crazy talking about they said the mask don't do nothing. Nigga, Magic Johnson had the mask on, nigga. I'm following how Magic Johnson moving, you heard? I'm moving like Magic. You shitting me? I'm in buildings and all that. Fuck that. What's up, my boy? You need a mask, my man. Yeah. You gotta get you a mask, my nigga. You niggas out here just breathe. You niggas out